What's up, guys? You're watching Just Do a Pepper, and today I have something very special for you guys. We are going to be doing my underarms today, and Lord knows, please help me. I need some help, some serious help with my armpits. They are like hideous, super duper hideous. So I went to Walmart today and I bought this Hansen Wax Extra Strength All Over Body Wax Kit. I've never used this before. I always go get a wax done just because I'm not good doing it by myself, and I don't know who I could trust to wax my body for me because people are just silly, you know? So I had my underarms done the beginning of March, and it's been about 2 months, and they need to be done, like seriously. So I got this kit here, and in this kit we have some wax strips. We have some, I guess, wax dippers, scoopers, placers, some wax sticks. We have some finishing oil. This goes on, I guess, pretty sure after the wax. And then we have this extra strength all over body wax. Here we go, guys. This is the stuff. This is the product. Extra strength all over body wax. Yeah. Let's just hope this actually does work and does some miracles for me, because yeah, I need it. Well, let's get to it and get these underarms taken care of, shall we? Okay, so here we go. Here we go. This is what my underarms looks like right now before we get into the whole wax preparation and actually waxing my underarm. Very nervous right now. This is my lovely partner, Lori. She'll be helping me do my underarms today. Right here you see her, she's already warmed up the wax and started putting it on my underarms. Again, guys, this is like our first time doing this to one another. She's now placing the wax strip over the wax. Again, super nervous how this is gonna work. Oh man, it's kind of hilarious, but it's very nerve-wracking. She's just making sure she's getting the wax completely on the paper, so she can have a good pull when she pulls the wax off. Yeah, that was a very strong pull. You can tell she yanked a lot of hair. And look at that. Wow. Yeah. That is a lot of hair. It's really crazy how it looks on the wax paper. It looks very interesting. That's just crazy. Like super duper crazy. Not all of it came out, but majority of it did. So that's really good. Because my goodness, it was horrifying. And again, here she's just trying to go through and try to see if she can get any excess hair that she left behind. Yeah, and that hurt. And the more she kept damping, the more I was like, hey, that's sensitive. That's really sensitive. The skin is very sensitive after like the wax pull. Yeah, super sensitive. And here we go, getting ready to do the other arm. Like, this is what we have to resort to, guys, with this whole quarantine stuff. Man, with salons being closed and whatnot, it's crazy. It's crazy. At least we're learning to do it ourselves, you know, and not depending on salons and everybody else, to all the professional people, really, to do our stuff for us. Again, not all of it came out, but most of it did, so that's really good. Man, it's so freaking incredible how much. And I don't know, it's just crazy. It's just really cool to see like all that hair being pulled off your body. I don't know, call me weird, call me strange, but it's just like really interesting to look at. It's like nasty, but like very like eye-catchy at the same time. Yeah, and that's pieces right there. I'm gonna have to go through it with the tweezers and get them off. And here she is applying the oil that came with the stuff. She put some of the oil on a little bitty wipe, and she's just applying that to my underarm, because my underarms, they were really sticking together. I tried to get up and that didn't work. Yeah, we needed that oil. And yeah, I could definitely move my arms. Sorry guys for the excess, you know, side boob, but yeah. And this is just the finishing look. I need my eyebrows done too. Okay guys, so we are back now. So as you guys have seen, my underarms, they needed some work, right? That was kind of like on the disgusting end, but hey, it's done with, it's over, it had to be done. Will I do this again? Will I use this product again? Yes, I'll use this product again, just because it was my first time using it, and it was my partner's first time helping me with this wax. And so I'll be doing her next, but she shaves. I get irritated when I shave. I can't shave. So I'll probably do different body part of hers. Maybe her legs or something. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Tell me, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, tell me what you think about the product. I'm not getting anything out of this for the Sally Hansen or anything like that. I just wanted to try out something, and it worked for me. Saved me $23 plus a tip from going to the salon and having it done professionally. This looks pretty good too. Hey, what can I say? That only costed me $9 and some change from Walmart, and I can keep using it over the course of time. I think I'll take that $9 and change. Thank you guys for watching. Just do it, Pepper. Till next time.